A50 Boys production.
I said, yeah, buddy, rolling up a fat blunt, burning bitch down till it gets to a near run. And my swag said, I like my hoes dick. Bitch better be skilled with them big dicks. Yeah, I never quit. Yeah, I don't get rid. Talking that shit, you're gonna get your face split. High on the inside, fly on the outside. Playing every sport, yeah, I ball on the court. Ball so hard, take these niggas to court. 5'8", your boy might be a little short. When I'm in the game, all the niggas deport. Some fine ass bitches as my fucking escort. Gonna end this with my nigga McBurney. Killing this shit, first place in the tournament. You already know we born with a swag flow. See your bitch give me a quick little blow. My dog B-Cab is about to go. Born and raised straight from the 850.
Yeah, my name's B-Cab and I'm picking up the beat. Like the pack, boy, I got the Vans on my feet. In the polo sheets asleep, in the M3 of speed. Don't fuck with me, boy, cause my crew will bring the heat. Always stay hustling like 24/7. Bitch, I get money, call me Ocean's 11. Look in my garage, call it Lambo heaven. Pull up in the coupe with your whole road heading. Yes, I'm young and white, but I spit like a llama. Change up the status quo, call me Obama. Verses go so hard, give your ass head trauma. One small pause, call that bitch a comma. Oh, coming in the game like Asher and Webby. My marijuana bag is loud and heavy. I'm pushing that M3, haters driving Chevy. 501G's on, well I call him Levy. Oops, my bad, I meant to say Levi. No matter where we go, hoes telling me we fly. About to hand the beat to the instrumental killer. Boy, I ain't bullshit, don't call me Ben Stiller. Bring a girl home, calamari gon' fill her. Yes, I'm rapping and I'm white, but don't call me Mac Miller. Yes, I like to get it and call me a filler. Yes, I'm legendary, Michael Jackson Thriller.
Oh, they let the beast out his cage. I'm a bass boy, fuck a bass head rage. Time to introduce my name, Smack Bernie. Me and all my dogs on the money making journey. Cause we all from the 850. I can take a virgin bitch, turn her ass to a straight hoe. Yeah, ain't that some motherfucking shit? Where the good weed at? Time to get that shit lit. Cause it's time to celebrate. Every leg that I spit something like great. And I'm big, I ain't get it from no shake weight. It came from eating steak that was on my damn dinner plate. So I forever give thanks. Too many damn slaps, I don't trust these skanks. Don't give these hoes no ranks. They ain't putting no dollar signs in my banks. Believe that. I'm a big boy, something like swoles. Know y'all digging my flow, something like hoes. I look good, pretty boy shit. Man, I can't get these hoes off of my fat dick. But I'm too legit to quit. Never been a punk brother, no, not one bit. Now that's swag.